Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.